guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Holly Wolf here, and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. So I realized that today is the day that we should be putting out bags of leaves because tomorrow the recyclables and the garbage will be taken. So today's video is going to be a weeding and cleanup video, so I've got enough things for the wonderful city people to take away. Woo! Okay, so we're gonna do some general cleanup, some weeding. I've been meaning to do this for quite some time, so this is perfect for me. I was like, oh my God, wait, this is the day I should be doing it. There are some plants in the side garden that need tending to, definitely some stray weeds here and there. And if I have time, I might try to edge some areas here in the back garden as well. I did the whole side the other day, but not this back area. So I think I'm going to just have a chill, super cool video. Doing some gardening, hanging out. It's nice and shady in the back garden of Wolf Manor right now. And we're just gonna live outside. It's gonna be good. So come along with me, let's weed some things. Let's get right to it. Woo! Okay guys, so as I was cleaning, I stumbled upon several little baby hostas. These look like maybe elephant ear hostas. They're a little darker, a little tinier, but I don't really know yet because they were being suffocated by all of the ivy. So I'm gonna see if I uncover some more, but I'm definitely gonna pull back a lot of this ivy. It's clearly overgrown, and there's plants in here that need help. They need my help. So yeah, that was a pleasant surprise. Some more hostas in here. We're working on this garden bed. This might actually take longer than I thought because I'm uncovering plants that I didn't know were here. So yeah, just wanted to put that out there. We found some surprise hostas. Ah. Another little update while I'm cleaning. So this ivy was so overgrown, absolutely insane. I found several more feet of stone. So this line here actually like comes back even further, like a whole, this is all stone that I'm standing on right now. So I'm going to continue to clean. We actually also trimmed a few of the maple tree branches, so this area kind of opens up. But holy crap, this ivy is so overgrown. It was literally 2 feet past the border where stone is. So I'm gonna get a nice little broom, clean this up, and I'm actually really happy to have all this extra space. This is beautiful stone that's laid here, and clearly the ivy is just like, let me cover that. So we've definitely been finding a lot of surprises, woo, in here. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on cleaning, and this is gonna look a lot different. Wow. This is gonna look a lot different once we're done. Yay! We did lots today. I'm so excited. I actually have to go do some errands, very timely errands, so I have to get going. We didn't even get close to doing the side garden, but this is really awesome because I managed to unearth several more feet, basically, of this beautiful patio stone area. Cut back a lot of the ivy. There's still more for me to do. There's also a climbing hydrangea in the very corner of the house. So I'm going to try to find a really nice trellis or something along the lines to hopefully have a climbing hydrangea up the side of the kitchen window, which is super cool. So we unearthed 6 hostas that were being suffocated by plants, by ivy, a climbing hydrangea, and several more feet of patio lounging area, which I'm really ecstatic about. Also, I was thinking while I was doing this, it would be super beautiful to find a really nice ground cover to go in between these rocks. They're pretty big gaps, and I would love to have something flowering and or just covering it so weeds don't grow. It's beautiful. This is beautiful. I love all this stone. So yeah, this is great. This is fantastic. I love cleaning and pruning and organizing because it just brings such structure to the garden. And yeah, I'm just unearthing all these great things at this house. Honestly, I'm so into it at this point. Yay! All right, guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching again. I hope you enjoyed this little video. And as always, I will see you soon. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe, as always. If you haven't, you can also become a member by hitting the little join button on one of these sides. And follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and OnlyFans. Bye, guys.